Hi, welcome to Detailing World. In today's video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Hi, so welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name's Matt. And as I say, today we're going to be taking a quick look at the 12 Days of Christmas. This is something we do every single year and we give a bunch of prizes out to you guys. It usually retails into the thousands of pounds. So yeah, we're going to go through all the prizes in just a moment. To enter these, you basically need to be a member of our forum at detailingworld.co.uk. There's also going to be some extra prizes, which if you watch the video through to the end, you'll find out how to get your hands on those as well. So yeah, we'll start off by getting straight into this and going through all the prizes. So on day one, we've got kits from P&S and Polished Pigs, along with a bonus pack from G-Technic, which is their sample starter kit, and also a torch from LED Lenser. Day two is a mystery box from Autoglans, and again the second prize, the bonus prize on that day, is a 6 magazine bumper pack from PVD, along with Shine Supply's beadlock ceramic kit. Day three comes to us from Vonix with a range of products from those guys, and the bonus products on that day is from Dr. Leather and also from Gloss Boss, which is their ceramic kit as well. Day four, we have a massive prize on day four for you, and that comes in form of kits from Sonax and also from Geon. That is just one large prize for one lucky winner. And the bonus prize on that day is a Valet Pro seal kit, so again, another lucky winner there. Moving on to day five, we've got kits from Polished Bliss, and the bonus kit on that day is a Reviver 12 bottle kit as well, so that's a full range from Reviver. Swiftly moving on to day six, and we've got Michelin King's Christmas Wax along with a bottle of Spa and Quick Detailer. And the second prize on that day as well is Cargod's 54 Valet case. Moving on to day seven, we've got a kit from Akira Brands. And once again, the bonus prize on that day comes from our friends at Bill Hamber, and that is the Fallout kit. So as you can see, we've got a bit of a theme going on here. So on day eight, we've got another huge kit, and this one comes from Detailed Online. And the bonus prize on that day is the Stiana Gloss Essentials kit. Day nine, another massive prize, and this one comes thanks to Slim's Detailing. It's a huge kit from those guys. And once again, the second prize on that day comes from AutoSmart, another equally huge prize. Day 10 is a Valet Pro kit bag with a bonus prize coming from Stiana Gloss in form of their specialist kit. Day 11 is the JPN 26 kit, some new sponsors to the forums, with the bonus prize in the form of a Sansom kit. And finally, day 12 is the Herrenfart kit with the secondary prize of the Tenzi Detailing kit. So yeah, as you can appreciate, there are some massive prizes there, some crazy values in those kits there, so there's going to be some lucky winners there. We've also got a few extra prizes as well. So extra prize number one is the Anachem Automotive Introductory Kit. Extra prize number two comes from Valet Pro once again, which is their paint care kit. And then we've got a couple of other kits. You have to be on Instagram, so you need to be following us on there as Detailing World Official. And you also need to be subscribed to us on YouTube here as well. So make sure you click the subscribe button below, or just click the little tab up here now. These are two separate kits again, and you will basically have to keep an eye out on Instagram and YouTube to see how to win these. So the Instagram kit is going to be a Valet Pro wash kit and finishing kit. And the YouTube winner will be a Valet Pro wheel kit and a brush kit. So we're not going to give too much away on those. You need to be checking our Instagram account regularly to see how you can win those, and also on the YouTube as well. Just make sure you watch all of our videos. Any upcoming videos and any of the recent ones, it'll not be obvious in the title, because obviously we want the genuine viewers to win those prizes, so you will have to watch those and find out how to win. Also, I'm going to throw this one out there. If we do hit 10,000 subscribers before Christmas Day, I'll try and throw in some extra Detailing World merchandise as well with that YouTube kit. And also I've got a Christmas Eve draw, and this comes from our friends at Autoglim, and this comes in the form of the Ultra High Definition kit and also the new Polar series as well. So again, some more great extra bonus products to win there. So yeah, that's pretty much all we've got to say on this one. It's just a nice quick video just to introduce this 12 days. As I said, the majority of those you need to be registered over on the forums. And then, like I said, for the Instagram and YouTube, make sure you're just following us on both those channels, on those accounts, and just keep an eye out, and everyone's in with an equal chance. So we'll see you in the next video.